great choice today with the 2020 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.